Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You are going to start by confirming the account itself. Open Chrome or Gmail and sign in to verify credentials and two-step prompts. Once done, make sure Pokémon GO and Google Play services are updated. Outdated components often block authentication. Next, clear the app cache and force stop Pokémon GO so it restarts fresh. These checks eliminate obvious account or app state issues and prepare the device for the more technical fixes we'll perform in the next steps. Now you will address account linkage and permissions. Go to Settings and remove the Google account, then reboot the phone and add it back. This refreshes tokens. Next, open app permissions for Pokémon GO and Google Play services and enable location and storage. Make sure location mode is set to high accuracy so GPS binds correctly. If permissions look correct, reset app preferences to clear hidden blocks. These steps recreate authentication tokens and ensure the app can access system services. It needs to log you in reliably. Finish by verifying system time and date are set to automatic. Mismatched time breaks Google authentication. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Pokémon GO to remove corrupted files, then sign in immediately after reinstall. Finally, test login on a different network, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular, or use a hotspot, because captive portals or strict routers can block Google OAuth. If you still hit errors, reboot the device and repeat adding your Google account. That often clears lingering token conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.